Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02293 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c##scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am going to do, I am going to check one table, describe person5. So person5 I have two columns, name and age. Select star from person5. So select star from person5 I am giving some records. So some entries are there, and also I can able to see some values having null, some values having 0. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to alter this table. I am going to alter this table person5, modify. So I am going to alter this person5 table, modify age. I am going to modify the age column with check constraint. Checking age greater than 20. So what would happen? ORA-02293 cannot validate, check constraint violated. So what is the cause of this issue is, there are some values already less than age 20. There are some values less than age 20, which is the cause of this ORA-02293 issue. Now what I am doing, I am correcting the table. So now I am correcting the table person5. So I am deleting the records with the age column with value less than 20. Okay, so I have corrected the columns. Now let me select the table, select star from person5. So you can see all the values are got corrected. Now once again let me try to execute this alter query. Alter table person5, modify age, check age greater than 20. Now you can see that alter table executed successfully. This is a fix for ORA-02293 issue.